Hi, to merge videos on your iOS 18 iPhone, first thing that we would need to do that's to download application name of which is iMovie. Here's it how it looks, and we can easily find it in the App Store by entering iMovie in the search bar, which you can see right here at the right bottom corner. So here is it how the application looks, and after you have downloaded, here we would need to click on this button open. So this is the first thing that you are going to see, and here from this list we would need to choose the last option, which is movie. So let's click on it, and now as the next step here we would need to select the files that we would like to add to our movie. So today I'll use it by day, so I have recorded 2 videos today, so I'll click select at the right upper corner and then here click create movie. So next thing that we can see here is a reductor where you can see your 2 videos and also a translation, which is doing like a little fade between these 2 videos so it won't look too sharp. And here is it how it looks. You can see it once more. So for example, if you don't like this translation, you can easily change the style and length of it. So by clicking on this translation icon, here we can see some options for different translations. For example, theme, slide, wipe, or fade. And here we can also choose the length for this translation. So after you are done, just click on any empty place to close it. And next thing that we can do here is, for example, change the order of videos. If you think that some video should be first in the order, you can easily take it with your finger and then move it to the start like this, and now you can see that this video is first and this one is second, so we have switched the places. Now next thing that we can do here is to click on one of the videos, and here you can see really a lot of options what to do. You can split this video, you can detach it, duplicate, delete it, or here you can also see some more tools for editing of videos. And now if you would like to crop your video, you would need to simply take this big yellow line and then pull it to right side if you would like to cut the start of video, or we can also do it from the end. We'll take this yellow line and then pull it to the left side, and now the ending of this video will be cut. So here is it how it looks, and after you are done with the editing, you would need to simply click done at this left upper corner, and after this your project will be saved. Now we can do literally anything that we would like to. We can edit it more. We can click on this movie icon to see how it will look full screen. Now let's go back. Now next thing that we got here is sharing. So basically clicking on this button will give you 2 options, which is save or share video or export project. So we can click save so we can export it to our gallery, and here on this menu we would need to click on this button save video. And this is basically it. We have successfully saved our project into our gallery. Let me show it to you. So here is our video that we have edited. You can see this translation that was right there, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and have a great day.